Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, March 24th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos from Friday. And on Friday, the gold versus the US dollar came in number 3, so I'm going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold did continue down a little bit. We still don't have that wave 4 break, which tells me that if we do get a Fibonacci bounce and a breaker structure to the upside, we should start looking for longs. If this really is a wave 3 of 3, this thing literally could just keep on going to the uptrend pretty much at any time. But with the fact that this looks like a trend and looking at the other dollar pairs, I think more likely that it is going to go down and it is going to break structure to the downside. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, that is 1 hour time frame, no breaker structure to the upside. We do have a Fibonacci bounce, but until we get a higher low, maybe something like this, or we get that breaker structure to the upside, something like that, I would personally still be looking for shorts. I think there's a pretty good chance it is going to break structure to the downside. Now if this makes a little 1 2 3 pattern and then impulsive engulfing to the downside, kind of like this back here, 1 2 3 impulsive down, that's exactly what I would be looking for shorts for the continuation of the downtrend. If it makes a higher low, or if it breaks structure to the upside, that would definitely turn me back into a buyer. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website, linked down here below. As always, thanks and happy trading.